Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a 5 things I hate that I love about the Jeep Wrangler JL. The first thing is the windshield. It's slanted back. I did not like that they were getting away from the original just square look. However, the wind noise is reduced and so is the gas mileage. So you have to love the environment. You have to love the increased miles per gallon. The second thing that I hate that I love about the JLs. At first, I was talking a lot of trash about these pull door handles, talking about how it was a Jeep and they didn't need pull door handles. However, after using it, I'm a fan. Jeep, you won me over. I'm all about these pull door handles. I hate that I love them now. The third thing that I hate that I love is the door catch. Originally, when they introduced the door catch, I was saying to myself, that's just another piece that you have to take off in order to get your doors off. However, the fact that the wind can be blowing and the doors don't shut, or the wind can be blowing and the doors don't open, absolutely love it. Jeep, thank you very much. And the fact that it's only one bolt, it's not the end of the world. I can take it off, no problem. The fourth thing that I hate that I love about the Jeep Wrangler JL is the tail lights. If we move towards the back, I was not a big fan of the tail lights. They're not great. However, what has won me over, and this isn't equipped with all of the models, it's a option, is the proximity sensor in the blind spot detector. I love the fact that you can get it with a blind spot detector. However, I don't like how expensive it's gonna be to replace the tail lights with the blind spot detector. But Jeep, you have won me over in loving the blind spot detectors in this Jeep Wrangler JL. And the fifth thing that I hate that I love about the Jeep Wrangler JL is the backup camera. I hate the fact that you're not able to move how it's mounted. With that being said, with aftermarket wheels, a lot of people don't run them with the center caps. However, with these Moto Metal 962s, we just drilled out the center cap and we allow it to project out. Otherwise, you'd see the lug nuts and you would see all of the holes in the wheels, which I'm not a fan of. However, Jeep, you have still won me over with coming out as a standard option with the backup camera, even if you do have some of the center cap visible in the backup camera on the nav screen. So with that being said, those are the 5 things that I hate that I love about the Jeep Wrangler JL. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text. Also, leave your comments about the things that you hate that you love about the JLs. Leave your comments about the things that you hate about it, you love about it, and the things that you wish Jeep would change about the JL. With that being said, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.